Hi, and welcome to this video introduction to the running pack within the OnePlan studio. My name's Joe, and I work with the OnePlan team as Sports and Events Customization Manager, and previously worked for 12 years in the mass participation running sector, working with the likes of Great Run, London Landmarks Half Marathon, and World Athletics. OnePlan allows you to map, plan, and design your events using our online platform. This could be for anything from street festivals to weddings, triathlons, and in this case, running. Running events range in size and scale from a 5K charity event in a park to marathon, even ultra-marathon distances, and often cover large areas due to the uniquity in terms of the distance that they cover, with things like road closures, but planning and getting that infrastructure in the right place at the right time is key. It's very different to planning, say, for example, a festival, where you might just be on one site for a period of time. A running event often requires working with multiple stakeholders, where event safety is really critical. There is no real standardized way of how everyone plans their events, but OnePlan allows you to effectively plan and ensure that safety element is there throughout the planning stages. As you can see here, taken from the OnePlan studio, I'm going to take you through this running event that we've used designing with the running pack. There's a couple of things just to kind of shout out from the beginning. The bill of quantities. So once we've placed our objects and our tools within the map, we get a nice little report that we can use, and that could be shared with suppliers. Also, one of my favorite tools is our dot planning tool. So what this essentially does is where you've placed your security, it'll give you that what through words location. Again, this can be exported and put into your stewarding plan, for example. We'll quickly go into the map and we'll just show you around the running pack and how you can use it and some of the other tools that we have available within there. So we've built our running event here in Glasgow, which is a city I've previously worked in. There's a couple of things just to kind of point out really. We can design and draw our walking routes really easily. So in this case, showing from the subway and the train station into the event site. The standard tools that you'd like to see, so things like marquees, which you can place, and nice icons. So in this case, the information point. And as always, with any temporary event, we've got the lovely toilets and the toilet queues. Down here at the start, as you can see, we've drawn out this area here to show a wave or a starting area. And what you can do here is edit how many people you may want in there to create a safe area. So in this case, we've done 3 people per square meter, but you might want 2.5 people per square meter. As you can see, that changes that capacity based on the meters square and the space that you have available. Within the running pack, which you can see here in the more section, there are other things such as the race route, so you can plot out and draw your race route. But what we can also do within OnePlan is use the import section. So if you have a GPX or a KML or a KMZ file, you can translate those into a GPX and import those straight into your plan. So it means you don't have to necessarily start again with drawing your route. Within the running pack as well, we've got all the infrastructure you would tend to see. So from barriers to brand activations, entertainment, show where your PAs are going. If you have TV, you can even plot where your TV cameras or positions may be. You can do your dot planning for stewarding to show exactly where you've got staff. You can even draw out particular road closure points if you need to get into the detail of that, working with your stakeholders. One of the other things you can do within the running pack is drink stations, often a highlight of running events. So in this case, you can see we've put some feather flags, some branding in place. We've put our tables in place, and we can go down into the detail as far as the pallets that hold the product that you need. Once you've signed up to OnePlan, head over to your homepage and head over to Create Event. Enter the name of your event, the location of your event. The OnePlan Studio will take you straight to your location where you can start using the running pack right away. It's as easy as that. Once in the location for your event, head over to the More section, Running, and right away you've got access to the tools.